Why would you use your phone? You know what the cost is to your green badge, right?
I'm just checking the traffic. Traffic's terrible.
Yeah, it is. But that is no excuse, is it? You carry on, I'll drop in behind you. I'll drop in behind you. No thanks. No, it's fine. No, it's fine, thank you. I'm certainly not going in front of you, sir. I've already got the registration anyway, so that's not going to change anything. Yes.
We've got one done.
No thanks. I've already got the registration from when I came up behind you anyway.
You need to get a life, mate, really, you do. It's just what they need is a bit of you get your name and address.
What's your name and address?
You give me yours, I'll give you mine.
Why would I trust you?
Why would I trust you?
Exactly. I don't know who you are, I don't care. Why would you go in a taxi where someone's using the phone anyway?
Well, I'm just going somewhere. I need to get somewhere. I didn't know he was on his phone, by the way.
There you go.
Don't persecute the guy. Get over it.
Still not going in front of him. I'm not persecuting the guy.
Stop.
Oh no, you go, you have priority. Shalom, assalamu alaikum. You too.